What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here and shit, though. But, had to talk about it today, though, man. Free that man Boosie, man, you know what I'm saying? Heard he got locked up and shit for that gun case he got caught up in. I think it was in San Diego or LA or some shit like that. But I guess he was leaving court, I guess, and the FEDS came in and got him, you know what I'm saying? I know how that shit is, man. And I heard he was at YMLE court day and shit too, like supporting and shit. But you know how that shit go, man. You shouldn't be around none of that shit right now. Especially if you just got done fighting the case and shit, you got caught up and shit. Like, you shouldn't be around none of them polices, judges, faces, none of that shit. Cause you already a target. They're already looking at you. You already beat murders and all that shit. So they ready for anything for you to do something they can come get your ass. You know what I'm saying? Just like what they did. You know what I'm saying? These feds, they ain't playing. Especially in California, you know how these California gun laws is. Like, that shit is strict out here. Like, only state that's strict like that is like New York. Like, that's the only two states. California and New York is the only two states that's hella strict on gun laws. Like, they don't really be playing with that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't like down south in Florida and Texas where you can open carry. Like, California, totally different, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know how that shit go, man. Free that nigga Boosie though, man. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't understand, like, I understand, like, you gotta have something on you, you know what I'm saying? But that's why you gotta hire security or your partners, whoever ain't got no records or no bad background where they can go get guns and shit, go get shit registered, go get their CCWs. Like, man, all that shit count, you know what I'm saying? It ain't about being hard, it ain't about being a street nigga all the time. Like, sometimes it's about being smart too, though, you know what I'm saying? It ain't, people be trying to glorify going to jail and having a record, like that's something cool to do. Like, hell no, that shit ain't cool to do, you know what I'm saying? So all my young niggas out there, man, don't let the streets fool you, man. That shit ain't cool, man. Have a clean record out here, man. I'm telling you, that shit you go far away with that shit, like, for real. That's how they want you. That's how they get you. Once you're in that system, boy, it be hard to get out that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? But for that nigga Boosie, man, like, for real, though, you know what I'm saying? Nigga just gotta move a little different, that's all. It's kind of hard to say, you know what I'm saying, when you're a celebrity and you're a high-profile person and, you know what I'm saying, you're moving around in different states and city and shit, like, you got people hating, you don't know what's going on, and you hear a lot of murders and rappers getting killed. Like, that shit is dangerous out here, you know what I'm saying? I understand, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, man, get security, man, get some CCWs, man. Just try to move a little smarter, you know what I'm saying? Play that fuck up, though. It's part of the game and shit, though. But, for that nigga Boosie, though, man, you know what I'm saying? For y'all the real niggas that's locked up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how that shit go out here, though. But, yeah, till next time, though.